have a heater or any of that other stuff, so it fogs up pretty good. Show me your wristband.
Stay to the left coming on. Box station.
Just stay to the left all the way down this thing.
Turn to the right?
Or actually just in the wet like this, just go down the center of the track most of the track out here a little bit, out to this side, and then not too tight here on this apex, and not too tight here because all this water. Let the thing track out.
Then we're going to enter the infield?
Yep.
Puddle? Oh, not looking.
Yeah, you can actually take that curve too.
Okay.
You just get kind of straightened out here where the river is.
Okay, big right-hand sweeper.
Yeah.
Stay in the middle.
Yes. It's a lot drier than when I was out here, which is good.
And then we come to Pill Hill.
Get all the way back to the right. And stay to the left here. There's a lot of water on that side. You want to brake here. Stay turned in. There you go.
That little puddle. Okay. Got another right-hand sweeper, 180.
The only thing you got to do on this one is the apex is all the way over there, and you want a very, very late apex.
Okay, so slowly bring it in, or just stay
not
wide?
Yet.
Stay wide?
Yeah, stay wide till pretty much about now, and then stay tight to the right here, because of this huge puddle that's on this side.
Right, I still see the puddle, okay. Ah, the infamous S's, okay. And I can straightens out here.
Yeah.
And late apex this one.
It's
pointing them by earlier, but
no, you shouldn't. It's yellow flag. It's caution. You're not supposed to point them out at all.
Okay, they said you can pass on the cool down lap, but not
turn in.
Oh, I should have braked a little later. Are there big puddles on the stage? I think I'm not even going to hit fourth gear today. Pardon? I'm probably not even going to hit fourth gear today.
Stay away from the right side. Don't get too close. See this giant puddle sticking out here? Yeah, you don't want to go in that. And you don't want to go too close to the apex. So stay more mid-track.
Okay. I don't have to worry as much about downshifting today, because my heel toe downshift is not always smooth.
take it too close because of that, and don't go too close to this one. Traction control to the rest.
Yeah, I'll turn it off after one more lap.
However you want to do it. Traction control is not a bad idea when it's like this.
Right. So actually, it's not bad that these guys aren't going so fast. I feel no pressure to go faster.
Turn in more.
But on the paint?
On the paint.
Okay. Oh, that paint's not so wet, I guess. Or...
Well, that tire's not loaded.
Oh, right.
Around that turn, that tire just belongs to the ride. Waving yellow.
Okay.
So somebody is, yep. Somebody's going to need a tow.
Oh, let's be on the right here. Black flag. Everyone go in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually they'll hot tow in the dry. They'll just wave a white flag to indicate, slow car on track.
So if you can remind me of the line here since we're going in, right? So I stay out in the middle.
Stay out, and then you can start coming in about now.
Okay, start coming in.
But you want to not track out though. If you track out, you'll go through that giant puddle.
Oh yeah,
You stay over here, and then over here a little bit, and avoid. Yeah, it's completely different from when I was out here.
Okay. When you're out here, the puddles, I think the puddles are in the same place, they're just smaller now.
Yeah, or gone. So, but the really big puddles are still sticking around. No need to make the interior smell any more like a wet dog than it's gonna.
Turn off the camera here.
Stay away from that. And don't come in too tight. It's okay to have the car move around a bit in the rain. Usually it's the only way you can judge the grip. Is by just having it, just a little bit, all the time moving around. Because usually what it'll do is it'll just move until it finds some new grip.
Right.
So
Oh, time to go in? So we sit on this lap. We don't take one more.
that's right. When we passed start finish, they were waiting a checker also.
Oh, I should have seen that. No. Is it an M1 or no? It's a 130. Wait, what is that car? Anyway.
Very later on the apex.
Ooh. So you pinch the steering in too much? Yeah.
And the Lotus isn't paying attention.
Oh, the Lotus, oh I see, he kept going.
Yeah, it kept going.
That's so weird, I saw the checkered flag back there, but I didn't see it going right. Alright, so we did get to finish our session.
Mm-hmm.